Our oceans cover 71% of Earth's surface.
They carry 90% of the world's trade.
And for P1, they represent a sporting arena of 750,000 miles of potential racetrack.
But if you're honest, powerboat racing doesn't exactly sound like a green sport, does it?
At P1, we're determined to ensure that it is.
Really? Even in a global marine industry that's worth a staggering $1 trillion each year?
We can, and we can do it by turning our racing into a uniquely effective platform that champions environmental protection.
Humanity's debt to the oceans is ancient. We've used them as a prime source of food, transport and trade, energy, adventure, pleasure and discovery. Which is why 80% of the world's population live within 60 miles of the sea.
We treasure the seas, but that's led us to believe that they're an infinite resource. And we've also used the seas as an inexhaustible supply of food.
Which is why we've been overfishing for decades, and fish stocks are on the verge of collapse.
We use the oceans to trade and set out on voyages of discovery.
Yeah, but international shipping is pumping out lots of carbon.
We've come to believe that vastness of the oceans allows us to use them as a convenient dumping ground, and that they're just too big to be affected by anything we do.
That's just plain wrong. Almost every day there's a story of an oil spill or some other environmental disaster.
We have to be honest. There are a startling range of threats which are coming together to undermine the health of our oceans and the life within them.
We need to be clear that most of those threats have been caused by recent human activity.
We accept that what humans are doing collectively is damaging fragile ocean ecosystems, sea life, and the enormous value they represent.
Okay, so what are you doing about it?
At P1, we believe that we can change that trend and protect our oceans, but we need to act as thoughtful and committed individuals.
Sure, I mean, it's not like people set out to damage the oceans or our coastlines. We've just been careless and thoughtless day after day.
That's true, and we've been doing it year after year in every part of the world. We're all responsible.
But can we help to protect the oceans and give them time to heal by changing the way we behave?
We can, by doing the right things day after day, year after year.
If we do, then other people notice and they're inspired to be more thoughtful. We need positive initiatives that encourage and reward actions which protect and revive our seas.
For us at P1, the first step was, of course, to put our own house in order. We worked hard to do just that, and our environmental programs were recognised by Powerboat Racing's IOC-affiliated International Federation, the UIM.
What about when you go racing?
After each and every one of our racing events, we monitor and review our environmental impact.
Both on and off the ocean?
Definitely. We are constantly looking at ways to raise our environmental standards.
What about all those powerful boats?
We're making good use of BRP's Evinrude E-Tech engine. They meet, and in many cases exceed, the world's most stringent emission standards, including the ones set by the European Union, making them the most environmentally friendly engine available on the market.
Sounds like a start.
We're determined to make a real impact, and to do that we're going beyond our own sport to change attitudes and behaviour. So, we established the P1 Marine Foundation to enable all our stakeholders to work with us for the benefit of our seas.
What about the bigger picture?
Partnerships are at the heart of the Foundation's awareness and education campaigns. We've established strong ties with schools and universities and created a national student award scheme to recognise outstanding work proven to have a positive and sustainable impact on the marine environment. By focusing on young people, we're fostering change in terms of both attitudes and behaviours now and into the future. We're working to harness the passion people have for our sport and to use our unique marine racing platform to become an industry champion for the highest environmental standards. We're using advanced technology, harnessing the passion of sport, becoming an industry champion, and using our unique marine racing platform to achieve critical mass where it counts, So we can engage new partners, highlight important issues through our high-profile, international presence to help deliver new solutions which make a real difference.
Are you really and truly committed?
Powerboat P1 is committed to delivering exciting racing that's sustainable and environmentally aware.